While their Detroit rival struggles to reinvent itself, Lincoln's arrow is clearly pointing up. Their expanding repertoire of SUVs is arriving at just the right time, including the compact utility formerly known as the MKC, the all-new 2020 Corsair. This 5-passenger model is about 2 inches longer than its predecessor, now offering more second-row legroom than the Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Corsair hones in on Lincoln's pervasive theme of creating a sanctuary for the senses, a distinguishing trait that is paying dividends. Lincoln's designers and engineers have made quietness paramount, using a dual-wall dashboard and active noise control to keep unwanted sounds out of the cabin. And replacing standard electronic alerts are 6 unique symphonic chimes recorded by the Detroit Symphony Orchestra. Additionally, an available 14-speaker Revel premium audio system has been specially tuned for the Corsair's cabin to ensure accurate sound reproduction. Furthermore, Lincoln's so-called perfect position seats are available with 24-way adjustability, massage, and additional lumbar support. A standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine has been turbocharged to produce 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque in either front or all-wheel drive configurations, while the available 280 horsepower 2.3-liter turbo generates 310 pound-feet of torque exclusively via all 4 wheels. Both are mated to 8-speed automatic transmissions, while 5 drive modes custom tailor the experience. One of the Corsair's new technologies is called Phone as a Key. Owners can lock and unlock, open the liftgate, and most importantly, start and drive the Corsair with their compatible smartphone, no Smart Key Fob necessary. Built in Kentucky alongside the Ford Escape, the 2020 Corsair arrives at dealerships this fall. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.